Rithmomachia, the battle of numbers. Welcome. In Rithmomachia, players alternate turns, starting with white. Each turn consists of captures, which are optional, and a move, which is not. In this tutorial we learn how the pieces move. Each side has 8 circles, 8 triangles, 7 squares, and a pyramid. The value of a piece determines possible captures, but the shape determines the moves it can make. All pieces move vertically or horizontally, not diagonally, and may not jump over or land on another piece. The circles move exactly 1 square orthogonally, basically, north, south, east or west. For example, the white circle with value 6, denoted C006, has only one empty square around it, so it has only one legal move. Let's move that piece back. Of course, black circles, such as C003, satisfy the same rule. Let's move that piece back. The triangle pieces move exactly 2 squares orthogonally. For example, the white triangle with value 6, denoted T006, has only one empty square around it, so it has only one legal move. Let's move that piece back. Of course, the black triangles are similar. We'll give that black triangle a second move, then leave it where it is. For the moment, you'll see why in a moment. Square pieces and pyramids move exactly 3 squares orthogonally. Only a few of the squares can move, but most are boxed in. Let's move that piece back. Don't forget the pyramids. Look at the black pyramid. Since the triangle in front of it had moved, it has some freedom. Let's move those pieces back. Don't forget these rules. 1. No jumping. 2. No landing on another piece. 3. No diagonal moves. Thanks for watching this video about piece movement in Rithmomachia.